Hello, good day, Marcia and Darcy with Media Mechanic. Here's that website audit I talked about. Three things we're going to talk about is basically what Google is looking to rank all websites right now, and it's content, backlinks, and citations. So content is your pictures and your words, and in your words you're going to have keywords. Those keywords are what people are searching for on the internet to look for your services. We have to have those keywords in your website to rank for you to be found. 1,500 to 2,000 words is what they're looking for now. The more words, the more keywords we can put in there, easier you can be found. Backlinks. Backlinks are other websites that link back to you. Not all backlinks are measured the same. If you had other maintenance companies linking back to you, that would be stronger than Pizza Hut website linking back to your website. And then citations is where you put your company information into which directories and local listings. All this could be measured. All this could be evaluated. So let's quickly look at your content. All your pictures should be saved with a keyword. That's good. This is your about page. Services contact. So we're looking for, again, 1,500, 2,000 words, just so when Google crawls your page, it sees a lot of words and you can be picked up in Google's eyes. So let's look at this tool called Ahrefs. Tells us how many backlinks you have, how many referring domains or citations, how many keywords your website is currently ranking for, and how many people are visiting your website this month. We can see when and what happened here with a little bit of history. Of course, my goal is to get everybody's website making them money. We shouldn't invest money in a website if that business tool is not going to make us money. So I put a couple keywords into Google here. Vancouver building maintenance. Top sections ads. So we can make some ads for you. You could be top section of Google. We will get some citations or referring domains. We would put you in here. Second place, we can put you top of Google search. And then the third section here is the organic search. This is where we rank your page and get you up to the top here. So it looks like we have Total Commercial Solutions, Vancouver Home Maintenance, EBM Janitorial. I know you have a variety of services. I'm going to show you a little bit of your competition. I'm not sure if they're directly related to you, but it looks like they've recently upgraded their website. How did they save their pictures? Whoops, wrong one. How did they save their images? Oops, they didn't optimize their site as well as they could have. But still good, well laid out site. It's got a little more content, but we're still looking for that 1,500, 2,000 words, and then 1,000 for other pages. But let's look at their numbers here. So the URDR gives us a strength or trust factor that Google's looking for, and the backlinks, citations, and the keywords amalgamated will give you this strength in Google's eyes. And these guys have 400 people looking at their website in the last month. We look at their progress over the last couple years, and to me, that's what digital marketing and investing in your website does, is slowly over time, although this isn't very many, we can definitely increase ultimately your traffic. That's what we want. We want people coming to your website, and we want people interacting with you for your services. Executive building maintenance. again, good websites. A lot of people have great websites, but it's the content. It's the content that Google's looking for. They're not looking for keyword stuffed content. They want stuff that naturally flows and that you can best describe you and your services. If we look at their website here, their numbers are a little bit off here. They've only got 34 keywords. Of these citations, only 4 of them are really working for them. Only 37 people have visited their website, so not a well-balanced approach, but there's consistent activity. So that's something that if they were to see this, they might want to increase their content and the number of citations. Of the 1144 backlinks, only almost 300 of them are the do follows, which are the potent, trustworthy citations or backlinks. So that's it, Marcia. There's no secrets here. There's no. It's just a matter of utilizing the tools in front of us. Having professionals do the work for us. I'm quite familiar with all of that. So please give me a call back. Shoot me an email if you want to know more. My name's Darcy, 780-918-0832. Thanks so much, Marcia.